Good morning, vlog world. What's going on? It's Canada trip today, and my mom's actually coming this year for the first time, so that's gonna be pretty interesting and epic. And then my auntie them right there just came. They just driving down the street. They about to pick my mom up. I'm driving my car, of course, cause Alante is coming, and there's just not gonna be enough room in that one car for us. So Alante had a sleepover at his church, so that's where I'm going right now. I'm about to go pick up Alante at his church, and that's like right around the corner from me. So I'm gonna grab him real quick, and I need to stop at the bank to deposit my check. And all our way to the mall we go, cause that's where we gotta go, to the mall to park our cars and get on the bus there. So I'm about to go pick up Alante right now. I don't know what D30. Wildlife must say hello. Yo, what's this guy's problem, vlog girl? Look at this. This boy got a suitcase.
I know you ain't talking.
Like, is you serious?
Anything might happen, vlog girl. Anything might happen. You know what I'm saying? Anything might. We might have to stay there for another 3-4 days.
We need to turn up so we can dip. This dude gonna say anything might happen. This dude bring a suitcase for the weekend. That's crazy. But we on our way to the mall right now. What's wrong with this guy, vlog world? Man, how you gonna forget the cash, man? How you gonna forget the cash?
If I get a low amount, I know I got the money on there.
How you gonna forget the cash, man? This dude know that we going out of town. He know that he need the cash.
I have card. Most hotels take card.
And then this dude didn't bring the cash, so we had to stop at the gas station.
Here we go.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Hallelujah. What, man? Come on, man. Let's go.
What hotel don't take credit card?
What's going on, man?
Sorry. No, I don't carry cash.
Yeah, for sure, man.
I got a swipe.
Yeah, for sure, man.
I got unlimited.
Man, let's go. Let's go.
$3,000 limit.
So we just had to hop out the
How much
whip.
did I pay for this?
What?
How much did I pay for this?
About $2. We just got here.
$2.
They go to bus, big bus over there, Indian Trail, doing it for the vlog. And they go my pastor. That's my pastor in the red, y'all. And that's my mama. That's my mama over there, pastor in the red. So we on the bus, you know, putting our stuff up. So my mom then back there, Riley right there. You know what I'm saying, vlog world. People still outside getting their stuff. Alright, so my mom forgot her passport, so we had to come all the way back to the house. So now everybody's waiting on us. It's crazy, man. So now she in the house racing to get it fast so we can hop back in this car and then dip. It's crazy. Crazy start to a beautiful trip already. So we in this parking lot waiting for the bus to come pick us up, because we have to move our cars for security reasons, so the securities can watch it. So that's brother Steven and all that right here. That's my baby right here with the trunk open, you know. Man, you ain't gonna say what up to the camera, rich man? So we all gotta get off the bus, go show our IDs and all that. And the camera's on Alante head right now. You know what I'm saying? Single file line. You don't know what I did for the vlog. You don't know. Wildlife, you say, to the world. No, it's Z. It's Z, tell the people. That boy got that cowboy. That boy got that cowboy line up on the side, though.
That's not the cowboy line, boy. That's that Mr. Still Girl.
Mr. Still Your Girl. So we just got out, good to go. You know, Canada trip.
Let's go, buddy.
Canada trip, ready.
Toronto, here I come with
McDonald's. Where the ladies at? Hold on now. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Don't know the things that already. Canada was saying. They just brought us our food. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. You know, doing it for the vlog on the bus.
You've got to decide what you want to be. The only way I'm going out of this game is on a stretcher. No matter where we go or what we achieve.
We just stopped at a rest stop. About to get something to drink. Huh? What's going on? What's going on? Huh? Oh yeah. I'm about to pause the movie. What up, man? No. It's just the first time. Hey, say what up to the camera. What up to the vlog? First stop of the day. You know what I'm saying? Alante about to step on Canadian soil for the first time in his life. He's never been to Toronto in his life. Let me pause this movie real quick. Hop off the bus. You know what I'm saying? Toronto doing it big. How you feel, boy?
No, what time is it?
Canadian soil under your feet. How you feeling?
Check Canadian soil.
About to go in here. You know what I'm saying? Buy some Pastor. You about to buy me some Tim Hortons? Tim Hortons, Burger King. What you about to buy me to eat, Pastor?
When we go home back to Michigan, we're gonna cut this off with you.
Oh yeah.
For real.
My pastor pulling my hair. Y'all see this vlog, girl? This is my pastor right here pulling my hair. Talking about she want me to cut my hair off when I go back to Michigan. It's beautiful. You see this? Flawless. It's flawless, vlog girl. What up, man? Look at that, man of God opening the door. You know how you do it. You know how you do it. Thank you so much. Whoa. Hey man, so what you about to, my goodness, what you about to buy me to eat? Just got here. No. Hey, how you doing? West End Church, I got prophecy. Everybody getting off the bus, you know. Just got in the church. This is where we're gonna have service at tomorrow. The sanctuary is huge. No, it ain't closed, but I'm just giving them a little view.
I got nice house.
Yeah, that's I'm like, it's nice, bro.
Oh, thank you.
Man, whatever, bro. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord. I need to pee with a light switch at. I gotta pee, vlog, bro. Hopefully we get to go to the mall or something today, man, for real. For real. Is gratefulness. Go ahead, lead it, brother Shane. We waiting on you. I have things that you have done. Yes, I pray for the victories we've won. Alright, so we about to eat some food, and I'm still full, so I'm not about to eat that much. Alante fat butt though. Alante fat butt about to smack. It ain't no more room at the table. Heard.
To the depths of the sea, creation's revealing your majesty. From the colors of fall to the fragrance of spring, fragrance of spring, every creature unique in the song that it sings, all exclaiming in this
just got to the hotel, checking in, you know. Checking in at the hotel, doing it for the vlog, you know. About to go hit the gym in a minute. Hey, dabbing. Dab. Alright, vlog girl, so we just got the room. You already know how it is. My man Zalante over there unpacking. And we chilling right now. About to go hit the gym, but before that, I want to go to this. It's this go-kart thing I remember from here. I think when I came last year or the year before, it's this go-kart thing that they have, and it was fun as heck. And we went on there, so I'm about to go do that again. So yeah. All right, vlog world. So we just walking now, walking to the go-kart thing, and I think we on a golf course or something right now. You know, doing it for the vlog, you feel me? Vlog world, we just came back. Go-kart, we just want to go check out the prices and stuff, you know. Alante over there, I don't know what he doing, but y'all see that underbelly? Look at that. Alante, show them the underbelly. Show them the underbelly, man. I'm on FaceTime. What? Hey, say what's up to my vlog.
Are you talking to me?
Say what's up to my vlog.
What?
You not gonna say what's up to my vlog?
I don't know what you're saying.
I said say what's up to. I said say what's up to my vlog.
Hi.
Hey. I'm a YouTuber. I'm vlogging right now.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But he didn't have to do it.
That, my friend, is a big fall. Let me turn around. Yeah, there we go. Got the lighting, boy, the sun in my face. Nana, you about to drive a go-kart? About to drive a go-kart, vlog world. And we gonna beat Alante and what's it called? Me and Desire on the go-karts! Nana! Woo! Nana, y'all drive! She's driving, y'all! Just got off the go-karts. It was crazy. Nana, you like the go-karts?
Yeah, I want to come here every weekend.
Yeah, we ain't about to come every weekend. What?
I like the go-karts too, but this second,
hey, what on there? Don't. You can't see them things up on the vlog. But we had fun, had a blast, and I couldn't bring my camera, so I had to give it to the people.
You was in my way. I was coming this lane. You was coming that lane.
I was drifting and you came and hit me.
You was drifting. I put my blinker on. You ain't see me coming. You ain't see me coming in the turn lane. I was turning. You happened to be there and you got hit and rolled off a turn. I kept going. Come on, somebody.
Sitting here, they playing the game, and I just looked at Alante, and he just looked funny looking. Now this dude looked like his spine is out of whack, and I was asking him like, make sure he don't got no tumor in his belly, cause just look at this vlog, girl. Look at that. My girl, look at this dude. Look at my sister holding his belly. Alright, so my great uncle is here. I think he's like my mom's brother. And he's downstairs with my pastor, and they're eating. So I came in the room to warm up some of this food because I am starving, and it's a good thing that I, you know, got it or kept it or whatever. I'm about to just warm some of this bad boy up from earlier. You already know. You know how I do a vlog, bro. Come on, man. Come on, vlog, bro. Hey. So I'm about to warm this up and go down there with them. I just pressed 3 and this thing came on. Come on now. Oh, well, it went on 3 minutes. That's sweet. Toronto got it going on, huh? Ha! Alright, vlog world, I just got back to the room. I'm about to take my Mac downstairs and start editing. Today was pretty chilled, you know, church tomorrow, whatnot. And I'm just gonna end the vlog right here for the day. One of my friends said I need to start closing out my vlog, so I guess this is me closing the vlog. So yeah, you know, Alante over there on the bed, chilling. You know, hopefully tomorrow, I know church is gonna be bomb. It's gonna be lit. You know, hopefully we get to, you know, get a little tour downtown Toronto before we leave tomorrow. If not, it is what it is. Like I said, we planning on a Carabana trip, so I'm really looking forward to that. That's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, fam. It's gonna be lit. So yeah, you don't know the things that already. Wildlife, I say 876 all day is it. Kingston 11. Gully side I come from, and I remember that, you know. Bullet.